See you a bit later. After so many years. A century ago. Ay, a century later pa.
Before and after. Diba mapapakita yung mukha mo before? Before flight. After flight.
So, we're on our way to Causeway Bay. Hindi pa rin kami nakakarating. Yeah, due to delayed flights and the jet lag. So, we're on our way. Ano, what time is it? What time is it?
It's already 8:20.
It's 8:20 local time. And we're so freaking tired. We woke up like 6
Yeah.
a.m.
Lapit tayo dun sa ano,
So
Admiral.
we're 12 hours awake.
No, not only 12.
No,
Ganda na ko.
14 hours.
we're 14 hours awake. So yeah, see in our journey of 24 hours awake. Joke. Guys, look what we have. This is Alex.
Nandito kami sa it's a random store we run into.
Dahil lagi kami nagpa-fried noodles sa Pinas, fried noodles pa rin sa Hong Kong. Totoo naman na. Legit.
Real fried noodles.
Kakain kami. Hey. We're crossing down the road. Down the road. We're crossing the road. See? Say hi, Lex. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. See, it's so beautiful here. See, this is the street here. This is the Sogo Mall. This is an high-end mall. Here, yeah. We're walking. We're going in Macau, so we need to walk. We're crossing the road. We arrive here at the park. Okay, I'm leading the way, even though I don't have the maps. This is our view. See, it's very greenery. It's 6 in the morning. We're walking because we need to go to Macau today. So yeah, we keep on walking. So cool in here, look. May elders na See? They're very fit here. Diba ang daming elders na, uy, may fencing. Gagi, ayun o. Tigang may nag-fence. Nag-practice ng fencing. So cool, bruh. There's no such thing as this in the Philippines. What amazes us is parang sobrang rinig na rinig mo yung birds. Pero yung likod niya, look, see. Puno-puno siya ng high-rise building, so it's kinda cool. Hi guys, we're here at the port. We will cross from Hong Kong to Macau. It's kind of cloudy today. Oh, it's this. See, it's so cloudy and windy today. So, sana hindi umulan because we don't have bread. Yeah. So yun, we're just waiting for the bus. papunta sa Macau to transfer. So yeah, that's it. We just got off the tram and we have transport. So yeah. See? So we'll just wait for the train. Welcome to Qatar, Alex!
Hi, welcome.
See, we're in Qatar right there. This is the view. It's very Qatar. Hi guys, so we got back from Macau. Tapos nandito kami ngayon sa Hong Kong. This is the famous black man. See? It's the black man. It's singer Thomas Jackson Bard. Yun. We're in Hong Kong station. This is the view here. We're just roaming around. We will go to PSP.
Uy, ganda.
Yung highlight dito ng building. So freaking cool, right? Tapos may nag-go dance dito. Ang daming Pinoy as in. Totoo nga, ang daming Pinoy. Like, oh my God. Yun, ang daming Pinoy. Oh my God. Kabayan. Very local vibe. All the Filipinos out is here. We're going on that trip in our favorite rocket ship through the sky. Naputputan pa nga po nga ni ang inyong vloggerist. So pupunta kami Victoria Harbor. Yes, this is the Avenue of Stars is here also. Yes. Dito rin Avenue of Stars. We're here at the iconic cultural center. This is the view outside. And this is the view inside. Someone's taking photos. This is what it's look like. And this is the bell tower. Bell tower. Let's go back inside. I think there's some concerts. I thought everyone is roaming around here. Someone's taking photos and videos.
I'm good.
Very good.
Yeah. But I think I need shower.
Behind the scenes of the photos. And there's another side here. So we're going up the hill. As you can see, sorry my hands was not as stable as it is.
Hey, you know you have to.
It's very lively here. So yeah, there's posters everywhere of every single concert, and we're gonna walk through. Up and up and up and up and up. This is the view here. So walking. This is the before harbor. It's great. Yeah, so yan. So Haggard. We've been in Macau for 3 hours. Then we got back to Hong Kong and here we are. We were taking photos. This is it. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Yeah, they're not fun. It's very cloudy.
I know. Yes. Buong araw ng cloud. Kasama mo na ako.
Guys, day 2, nandito kami sa Big House. Magre-review siya.
We ordered egg tart.
The
Later you'll
classic.
see. Yeah, and you ordered. Sige,
What?
wait lang. Ako mag-craft.
I'll go.
Nakawag.
This is the ham and cheese croissant.
And I ordered
Taste test.
hand chocolate. Taste test.
Taste test.
Taste test.
Taste test.
Go.
Sabay.
Mine is
Cavery.
hand chocolate.
Masarap yung akin. Sarap. Sarap. Gusto mo tikman sa akin? Ano to?
Paano chocolate?
Brown chocolate.
Chocolate.
Very you. Para sa akin gusto ko yan. Just savory. O, diba? This is good.
Oh, so good.
Diba? Sarap. Kaya kang pinainit ko.
Sarap.
Ngayon, free day namin.
Birthday namin. Kaya pala tayo 9 na. Kumala.
Surprisingly. Sobrang lamig na yung araw.
Di ba ka yun?
Ano masasabi mo sa food? Masarap. Masarap. Pero mahal. Kasi ano, 40. This is $42. Ayo, 42, 43. Tapos
Kaya-
yung egg tart, 14. So, mura yung egg tart. Well, considering na maliit siya.
Maliit ka na siya.
Pero masarap to. Gusto ko to.
Sabi toppings sa kape. Toppings sa kape.
The plan today is to go cafe hopping. Kasi ma-addict siya sa kape.
Ma-addict na sa kape.
Addict talaga siya sa kape.
I think the egg tart. The egg tart is really famous in this store.
Yeah?
Yeah, and all of their breads. Actually, this is panang chocolate. It's good. If you like sweets. Okay, thank you, thank you.
So someone asked her, not me. What's good in the store?
Ambassador.
Ambassador. Ay, sorry, ang baboy. Dami crumbs. Let me show you the street kasi lahat ng nandito branded, di ba? We're in this road. So lahat ng road na to sobrang high-end, branded. So let me show you. So we're in and this is the view here. See? May Adidas, may number 5, tapos Chanel ata nandito. Then may NARS, then this is the Raymond pop-up. And this is the big house. Right? Alex, say hi to the vlog. So, ano yun nandito? Di ba puro ano rin to branded? Like brand of Mating Kim. Subdued. Like that. So, itong Pula Streets na to, pagdating mo dito, it's same as branded stuff. So, Pula Road siyang gano'n. You have to review the egg tart. Let's taste test that.
Look at these.
Wow! Pero it's kumatakaw yung kakain. Kasi subukan lang.
Pero since hindi. Oh, sige.
Ikaw
Do
muna.
the honors. No, ikaw muna. For your vlog. Do the honors of having the first batch.
Wait na, i-rate natin ng
10.
Hindi ako avid fan ng egg tart. Kasi sa Pilipinas daw ko nag-rate. Pero, since nandito tayo, let's see.
Oh my gosh. Na-excite tuloy ako.
Okay. $8.75
8.75?
over 10.
Not bad.
Pero, gusto ko siyang bigyan ng 9. Pero feeling ko, mas mataas yung ibibigay. Ay, mas mataas yung ibibigay ko.
Bakit?
For some reason, hindi siya matamis. As in, hindi siya matamis at all. Then secondly, kung i-describe ko yung texture, lasang leche, parang leche flan. Na thick, alam mo yung thick na leche flan na Filipino dessert. Ganun yung consistency ng mismo loob. Tapos, surprisingly, yung labas, ang tigas. Pero yung loob, pagka nakagat mo na siya, parang ang smooth na lang. So, ito. Ako, 8.75 or 9 over 10. Ito.
Let's see if totoo ba ang verdict.
Promise. Diba? It's not sweet at all. As in.
Hindi nakagargan mong egg tart. Noong Pilipinas.
Oh, so as kumakain ng egg tart, anong rate?
So far, ito pinakagusto ko.
Surprisingly, mahilig siya sa sweet. Then, gusto
It's a
niya hindi
10.
matamis.
Hindi naman, pero masarap na.
Diba, hindi matamis at all. As in, hindi mo yung sa throat
Well,
na,
hindi ko alam kung dahil yun ba talaga dapat ang lasa ng mga egg tarts. Pero kasi sa Pilipinas,
ano ba talaga
iba.
yung standard?
Mm-mm.
Yung egg tart na pipicturean niya, kapiranggot na lang. Like, one bite na lang. Alam niya si Alex, sobrang hilig niya mag-picture. And they can bought si picture yan. Everything, anywhere, anytime. So, see you again mamaya sa next location namin. Bye!